if you could go from the highest height to the lowest low, you want to have an upward gradient. This would have been the steepest downward gradient.
A former teacher of the year accused of hitting a student reflects on the investigation that cleared her name as the case against her was recently dropped. Tonight, she is sharing a message to other educators as she works to return to her Duval County classroom. On Your Side's Robert Bradfield spoke to her about the allegations and her efforts to protect teachers against false claims by students.
It's not in my persona. It's just not something that I do.
Caroline Lee is denying any allegations that she hit a student, which was detailed in this arrest report last October. She was charged with child abuse just days after being named Teacher of the Year. Almost a year later, the former Darnell Cookman School of the Medical Arts English teacher has been cleared. The state attorney's office dropped the charge because of a lack of evidence. But Lee says that is not the end of it.
I want all teachers to be able to go into a classroom and be able to teach and not have to worry that a student is going to make a false claim and they're going to end up, as I did, in shackles.
Lee says she lost her teaching license and was never given a hearing to discuss her case. She says the student who made the claim is back in the classroom. Lee is calling for a fairer process.
Look at me, look at my background, look at my personality. Now do the same for the student before you make the teacher the guilty party and throw that party in jail.
Lee says her principal at the time is now no longer at the school. We sent the district some questions, including the reason behind his departure. Because of the holiday, we have not heard back.
Why would we risk ourselves if this is what happens?
She's now hoping to be reinstated and return to Darnell Cookman.
We have a passion for teaching, for learning, and on the whole, we love our students.
Robert Bradfield, First Coast News, on your side.